Here we go, first spot of the year. First spot of the year. We have got one of the 222 104. There you go. We're out here looking for the new Aurora train. Heard it's on this line, so I'm keen to see it. See if we do. Here they come. It's definitely not the Aurora train, which is unfortunate. 222 Here they come. For today only, free slush puppies with every train you spot. Try and get a better view. $105. I literally just ran across the bridge for that. There it goes. In fact, this side's actually probably better. Start waving now. We'll start waving. See if we can get some tones. It's windy out here, it's cold out here. There's still ice on the floor. Let's have some tones, mate. Come on. There's some tones, mate. Come on. We got ourselves some tones, mate. Come on. There goes another one. Let's give him a wave. Let's see if we get tones. No tones. 210. Come on. Man, it's cold out here. Yes, we finally got some freight. Now, I know freight doesn't go as fast as a commuter, but it's stopping, isn't it? What's he doing? got something. Catching her bite. He's off. Lovely. I think that was the track inspector. I think I saw there. The track inspection unit. Correct me if I'm wrong. Here comes the lesser spotted EMR commuter train. Commuters everywhere. 108, here he comes. Luton Express! Here's the Express! We'll do a little bit quicker! We'll do a little bit quicker! Yeah! Yeah! Luton Express! That's it, there you go. That's it. Here they come. It's going the right way this time. What a lovely train. That's a lovely train. Here it comes. The choo choo choo. Oh, the choo choo choo. Choo choo. Woo! Choo choo. No choo choo. Not for you. There's no. Oh well, let's have a little beatbox break while waiting.